Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sheikh Wasim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmood International School, Akbar. How are you students? Hope you are well. So dear students, in previous videos we have been learning lesson number 2, the girl on the train. The girl on the train. Okay. I hope you would solve the exercise number 1 and 2 and copy in your book number 1. Yes, did you copy? Very good. The students who have copied and the students who still did not copy, they will copy today. Okay, got it? Very good. Today we will solve question number 3. See what is given in question number 3. Okay, see, is Bindu a shy girl who does not talk to anyone? Okay, is Bindu, this is a question. Okay, it's called verbal question. The answer will be only yes or no. Okay, is Bindu, is a helping verb. Okay, is Bindu a shy girl who does not talk to anyone? Shy means शर्मीली. Okay, किसी से बात ना करने वाली. A person who does not talk to anyone. Okay, it's called shy. Is Bindu a shy girl who does not talk to anyone? Comma, or yeah, is she a friendly girl? Friendly mean like a friend. Okay, free, who wants to talk anyone. Okay, so is Bindu a shy girl or a friendly girl? So the first part of this question is, okay, what will be the answer? Yes, in lesson we learn when Bindu travels on a train, she waves anything. So it means she wants to talk anyone. Okay, so we can understand that Bindu is a friendly girl. The answer will be here. Means Bindu is a friendly girl. Okay. And the second part of the question is, why do you think so? Why do you think so? Okay. So why do you think so? The Bindu is a friendly girl. Yes. So we think because she likes people. Okay. And happily waves at anything and anyone she sees from the train's window. Okay, in lesson we saw that Bindu, when Bindu sees anything, so what does she do? She waves her hand to everyone. Okay, it means she is a friendly girl. Okay, the answer will be she is a friendly girl because she waves everything while traveling. Okay, good. Question number 4. See question number 4. do you like a do you like to travel on a train? This is the first part of the question. Okay, do you like to travel on a train? The second part of the question, what do you like or don't like? The second part of the question about it. Okay, what do you like or don't like? First of all, the first part, do you like to travel or on a train? So you can discuss with your parent or the person who make you study. Okay, so do you like? The answer will be yes or no. Yes, I like to travel on a train. So if you are telling yes, so you have to say the another part of, you have to say the answer of another part of the question. Okay, so what do you like? So while traveling on a train, what do you like? You can give answer. I like i like many things. Okay, I see lot of things go back. Okay, passed away. And while I travel on a train, I see river, mountains. Okay, field, rice plant, people, animals. So all things I like. Okay, like this you have to discuss with your parents and write answer in your own sentences. Okay, got it? If you don't like to travel on a train, so you can write answer, no, I don't like to travel on a train, because whatever reason you can use there. Okay, like you fear on a you fear to travel on a train, and you don't like the thing while traveling on a train. Okay, like this. Got it? You have to discuss and try to write in your own sentence of question number 4. Okay, see question number 5. Read about Bindu and Bina. Read about Bindu and Bina. Okay, so what do you have to write? Here are two paragraphs about two persons. One is Bindu and second is Bina. Okay, so what do you have to do? You have to think was who do you think was more polite and why? What should you do when you see your mother's friend? Okay, see what is given here. First, see about Bindu. Okay, Bindu is playing outside her house. Okay, outside mean out, bahar. Okay, Bindu is playing outside her house. She sees her mother's means उसके she sees वो देखती है her mother's friend, उसके अम्मी के friend means दोस्त, सहेली. Okay, Bindu smile. Okay, what does Bindu do? Bindu smile means to laugh. Okay, silently, मुस्कुराना जिसे हम कहते हैं. Bindu smile at her and says, what does she say? Hello auntie. Okay, this is about Bindu. Okay, what does she say? Hello auntie by smiling. Okay, see next. B sentence is given here. Second is about Bina. Bina is the name of a girl. Okay, Bina is playing outside her house. Bina also playing outside her house. She sees her mother's friend. Okay, she also sees her mother friends. In previous sentences we saw Bindu is playing outside her house and she sees her mother's friend. And what does she do? Bindu smiles at her and says hello auntie, means it's a good manner. Okay, she does not smile. Bina does not smile. She turns her face away, means she turns her face, वो अपने चेहरे को मोड़ देती है. And goes on playing when after seeing her mother's friend. Okay, so in these sentences the question is, three part of the questions are here. Who do you think? First part of the question is, who do you think was more polite? Okay, Bindu says hello and Bina does not say hello to her mother's friend. Okay, so who do you think so? Yes, see, who do you think so? Who do you think was more polite? So you have to write her name. Okay, and why? What should you do when you see your mother's friend? Okay, so I think Bindu was a more polite. Okay, and why? Because she greeted her mother's friend when she saw her. Okay, we should smile. So what should we do when we see our mother's friend? We should smile and greet her friends. Okay, parents, when we see them. Okay, got it? Like this we have to write this answer. Okay, three questions are there. One part of this question, it is the second part of the question, and it is the third part of the question. Okay, got it? Hope you would understood. Okay, will you do